How to set the side button, double press to quick launch Samsung Wallet on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down and tap on advanced features. Now in here, go down and tap on side button. Next, tap on the double press at the top here. And then from the list, choose quick launch Samsung Wallet. So tap on that. Now if you double press on the side button, this will allow you to quickly launch Samsung Wallet. And there it is. So if I double press on that, that will open up Samsung Wallet. If you haven't set up Samsung Wallet before, you need to set it up before you can use it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.